How to see hidden bookmarks on your browser. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find the hidden bookmarks which you have saved, which you might have saved uh, on your browser, on any of your browser, whether it is Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, doesn't really matter. So first thing first, simply head over to your browser and any of your browser. Inside your browser, if you are using Edge or Chrome, you might probably get the bookmarks, the pages which you had bookmarked, like on the top of the page header section over here. And as you can see here, there is a hidden option, hidden favorites option. You can simply either click on it, or if you don't see this option here, you can simply click on the other favorites, or also on the favorite section from here as well. And you can simply click all the way down here, and you can see there are other bookmarks as well. There are synced bookmarks. That means it is synced according to your Gmail account, like this. So that's it guys, that's exactly how you can view your other favorites or hidden favorites on your browser. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.